let me show you what you can do in order to try to solve your issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on POCO F7. So the first thing that we're gonna do is open settings, and then we're gonna choose more connectivity options. You want to make sure that AirPlay mode is disabled, because of course when it is enabled you won't have access to Wi-Fi. Besides that, we're gonna go to Wi-Fi, and the first thing that we can do is simply turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. Sometimes this simple thing, the simple task, solves some issues. Besides that, we can also go to network acceleration, and you can disable this option if you have it enabled. Use mobile data to boost speed. There might be some sort of issues with this feature in your case, so if you use it, just turn it off at least temporarily in order to see if it makes any difference. Now, we're gonna move on to the Wi-Fi itself. Before we actually do that, what I want you also to check is if you have Wi-Fi issues only on your phone or also on other devices that are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So essentially you want to check your other devices that have access to Wi-Fi, and if they are using, of course, the same Wi-Fi network, to see if Wi-Fi works on these devices. If not, then of course it means that you have issue with the Wi-Fi itself instead of having issues with Wi-Fi on this device specifically. However, if you have only issues with Wi-Fi on this phone, then what you can do next is you can go to the details of the saved Wi-Fi. If you have saved Wi-Fi, that is. So if you have been connected before, but now it doesn't work, you can tap on this arrow over here, and you can make sure that this option, connect automatically, is enabled. Besides that, if that doesn't help, what you can also do is you can simply forget the network, or for example, if you have changed the password of your Wi-Fi, then you can go to modify network and you can set the new password or update it essentially. But you want to press forget network and then try to find your network again on this list. In case you cannot find your Wi-Fi in the list of saved networks here, but you have been connected to that network, you can also go to additional settings, and here you can find manage saved networks, so you can delete networks that you can't find even though you should be able to find them. Remember that you can also refresh the list of available networks. So over here we can press refresh after a couple of seconds in order to check if there are any new networks detected. If none of these tips actually help, another thing that you can do is go to more connectivity options again, but this time we're gonna scroll down and we want to go over here, reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks, and Bluetooth, and you want to reset these settings. However, keep in mind that you will reset all these three things together. So you have to, unfortunately we cannot separate it, so you will have to reconnect to your Bluetooth devices, for example, once you do that, and of course your Wi-Fi networks as well. So reset settings and then try to connect to your Wi-Fi again. And that's pretty much everything that we can do in order to try to solve Wi-Fi issues. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.